Okay, this is the Snapper 8 horsepower riding lawnmower engine, which seems to have seized up. So I've got the top cowling off with the pull rope, and you can see the cylinder there. And I'm going to crank it around, and you'll see that it does turn. Not great. It gets tighter as it comes toward the top. Right in there, it's getting pretty tight. I got the WD-40 in there. I'm wondering, should I hone the cylinder? Should I just keep working it? What's the plan here? I don't know exactly what happened. Maybe the oil level got low and we have some scoring of the cylinder. What to try next?